In this video, I will be showing you how to delete your Grok AI account. Let's get started. First, I open up a browser window, click into the search bar, and type Grok AI before hitting enter. The search results appear, and I click the first link for Grok. This opens the main page, so I select the option to go directly to grok.com. Once the page loads, I need to test out a search query before adjusting my account details. I click into the main text box and type, "Recommend 10 movies that are perfect for a relaxing weekend." Before sending this request, I notice a notification pop-up prompt asking me to please confirm my age by selecting the year when I was born. I type in 2002, click continue, and then confirm it is correct by hitting save. Now, the chat interface is working on my request. I watch as it lists out various movie recommendations like Amelie, The Grand Budapest Hotel, and Paddington 2. I scroll down the list to review all 10 recommendations, including La La Land, About Time, Mamma Mia, The Holiday, Chef, and When Harry Met Sally. After reviewing the answers, I want to locate my account settings to delete my account. I look towards the lower left corner and click on my profile label. A small submenu appears where I select Settings. This opens up the configuration page. In the left panel under Account Settings, I click Data Controls. This page lists options for deleting conversation data or custom settings. I scroll down and find the section labeled Delete Account. I click the red Delete button next to it. This redirects me to a secure verification portal under XAI. A cookie confirmation banner pops up in the lower right, and I click Accept All Cookies to clear the space. I take a moment to look over my profile details, then navigate the account sidebar menu. I click Sessions to inspect where I am signed in, and finally click on Data. On this screen, I locate the Delete Account option at the bottom and click the red Delete button. A confirmation window appears asking, "Are you sure?" with a warning that this action will delete all data and log me out permanently. To finalize this process, I type my exact email address into the verification field. Once it is fully typed out, I click the red Delete button below. The page processes the request and completely logs me out, bringing me back to the sign-in screen, confirming that my account has been permanently removed. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.